Pocket dump, baby! First and foremost, Buck 113. Absolute beauty. Oh, there it is. A little bit of an update. I used to use the hide and drink. That's what it is. Hide and drink pocket one. But you know what? This goes on the belt. I'm more of a belt carry guy. Yeah, and this is Milwaukee flashlight, Victorinox tanker, Knipex Cobras, and Right in the Ring bolt action pen. Now, the DeWalt utility blade. Love it. And then this is the Viperade pocket organizer. The uh, the patch came with a backpack, a tactical backpack that I got. So that does patch not included. Now, what we got here? Uh, utility blade refills. This is the crescent wrench. This is a 4-inch crescent. Lizard skin, sawbuster. Uh, better tweezers in case I need them. This is I'm pretty sure that this is a 6 and a 10. I wish it would focus. Or a 6 and an 8, I mean. In the form of a Allen wrench. Bits from for the Roxxon, but I use it with my Victorinox. This is just flint refills. And then this, I got the idea. I saw a channel of a guy saying, pocket pry bars are stupid, and I kind of agree with him. So why not just use a mini flathead? And this is just a striker tool, just in case. And yeah, that's